In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert image in LibreOffice Writer. By the end, you'll be comfortable bringing a picture in from your computer, placing it exactly where you want it, resizing it neatly, and choosing how your text flows around it. Start by opening your document in LibreOffice Writer. Click in the document to set the insertion point. That blinking cursor tells Writer where the image will land. This matters because the image appears right where you place the cursor, so take a moment to click the exact spot you have in mind. Next, go to the top menu and choose Insert, then select Image, and then From File. This opens your file browser. Navigate to the folder that contains the picture you want to use, click the file to highlight it, and then click Open. Writer will immediately drop the image into your document at the cursor position. Once your image is in place, click it to reveal the selection handles. You'll see small squares around the edges and corners. Use the corner handles to resize. Dragging from a corner helps keep the picture looking proportional and prevents that stretched or squished effect. If you need more control, right-click the image and choose Properties. This panel is where you can fine-tune size with exact values or explore additional settings that affect how the image behaves on the page. Now let's make sure your text and image work well together. Click the image again, right-click, and choose Wrap. You'll see several options. Wrap Off keeps the picture separate from your text, so the paragraphs will sit above and below the image with a clear break. Page Wrap lets the text flow around the outside of the image on the page, which is great when you want the content to fill space efficiently without large gaps. Optimal Wrap is a smart, balanced choice that typically gives you clean spacing with minimal manual adjustment, so it's often the recommended option when you're not sure which wrap style to use. After you've chosen a wrap style, take a quick look at your page to make sure the layout reads the way you want. If the image feels too large or too small, click it again and adjust with the corner handles. If you need to tweak more details, the Properties window is there to help. That's it. You've inserted an image from your computer, adjusted its size, and set the text wrap so your document looks polished and professional.